Let's look at personification even closer. Coming from the word person, the base word is person, literary device gives human-like qualities and actions. Now, guys, before we go into the text, I'm going to tell you the difference. Human-like qualities are like kind, gentle, stubborn, vengeful, mocking. These are things with human quality. Actions are very different. Actions are slap, punch, kick. Things that you do with your physical body are your actions. Yep. Things to do with the personality and your characteristics are quality. Both are also personification. Both also can be very effectively used. Okay. There you go. You can only use it on objects personification because you're making the objects come to life. It creates an impactful visual. For example, I say the car sputtered and coughed before it shuddered and stopped in the middle of the road. You can almost see the car doing like hot, 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 and then shudder and then stop. It's kind of like a cartoon. For me, when I read personification, I see cartoons in my head. There, readers will have a new perspective on a typical situation. Like a car breaking down in the middle of the highway, it's not something funny, right? To the person in the car, it's probably terribly exasperating. But if you're going to describe it in a very funny way, you can garner some comedy from it and therefore make it more enjoyable for your reader, a little bit more lighthearted, not all doom and gloom. Okay, that's not what you want. Especially for PSLE writing, it's good if you can describe tragedy really well, but at the end of the day, they want something positive. If you can be lighthearted, some of you actually use personification in your writing, but you don't realize it. Now you're going to be more aware of it because you know what it is and how to use it. Let's look at some examples, okay? The engine gave a cry of protest, the object being the engine, and a cry is a human action. Do you see that? The leaves, this one is swayed. Swayed is your action, okay? Lazy is not your action anymore. Lazy becomes your human quality. It's a feeling. Do you see that? That's why it is different. The lawnmower is your object, and shuddered is an action. The mudslide, devoured, is an action. However, over here, coming back to life is something what people can do. So it looks alive again. Therefore, it's a human quality. Okay?